Welcome to Car Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated compact performance cars of the future, the 2026 BMW M2. If you're a fan of power, precision, and pure driving excitement, then stick around, because the M2 is shaping up to be one of the most thrilling machines BMW has ever built. Let's start with the design. The 2026 M2 carries forward the aggressive styling the M series is known for, but with a refined and modern twist. The wider stance, bold grille design, and sculpted body lines give this machine an athletic look before it even moves. The front bumper is reshaped for better aerodynamics, while the signature quad exhausts at the back deliver the sound to match the muscle under the hood. The redesigned LED headlights give it a futuristic appearance, making sure this car stands out, day or night. Now, let's talk performance, because that's what the M2 is truly about. For 2026, BMW continues to use its 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, tuned to deliver even more horsepower and torque than its predecessors. We're talking around 500 horsepower, making it the most powerful M2 ever. With a 0 to 100 km/h time expected around 3.7 seconds, the 2026 M2 isn't just fast, it's fierce. The optional X-Drive system gives drivers the advantage of all-wheel traction, while purists can still enjoy the classic rear-wheel drive setup. Inside the cabin, BMW has taken luxury and sportiness to the next level. The 2026 model comes with high-quality materials, performance-focused seats, and BMW's newest curved display dashboard. This digital setup combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single widescreen panel, offering seamless driving data, navigation, and entertainment. The interior lighting, carbon fiber trim, and thick M steering wheel remind you that you're sitting in something truly special. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Handling has always been a highlight of the M series, and BMW engineers have tuned the new M2 to deliver razor-sharp precision. With adaptive M suspension, upgraded brakes, and a more responsive steering system, this model is built to dominate corners and deliver confidence even at high speeds. Whether you're enjoying a weekend drive or pushing on a racetrack, the M2 rises to every challenge. And finally, value. The 2026 M2 remains one of the most accessible cars in the high-performance market. It's compact, powerful, luxurious, and exciting, everything you expect from BMW M, without the massive price tag of bigger M models. Thanks for watching Car Reviews. If you love cars that combine power, technology, and pure driving excitement, then the 2026 BMW M2 deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what car you want us to review next.